Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Watch Only Wallet on Trust Wallet. First, download and install Trust Wallet. After signing up, create your account. Then you will be able to send money, receive, buy, and earn. Since this is a Watch Only wallet, you won't be able to directly withdraw funds from it. Instead, you need to access the wallet that has private keys to perform any transactions. Open Trust Wallet and then go to Earn. Here, you can see the increasing percentage of each earning from various partners. To manage your earnings, you need to monitor the rates. When the value increases, you can choose to sell your assets. When it decreases, you can buy more. However, remember that to actually withdraw or manage your funds, you need access to the private keys or recovery phrase of the wallet, not just a watch-only version. If you have access to those, enter them in Trust Wallet to convert your watch-only wallet to a full-access wallet. By doing so, you will be able to withdraw your funds. Always ensure you store your private keys or recovery phrases securely. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.